Hi guys, if you think you are very smart, that is not true because everybody mindset have a very smart, but how you become a smart, that is very important things. People always saying you are smart. How to did you work smoothly and smartly, that is very important. আমরা যারাই যেখানেই try to understand if everything, that is main purpose for our thinking or thought. So today there is lot of problem here come in your life. If you prove that if you have a problem, you can discussion, then solve with your work. That is problem will be solved, then will be everything is fine. Thank you.